Hi everyone, join me today for a 5-minute practice to clear the head and feel refreshed and recharged. Sit comfortably in a chair with your back straight and your feet firmly touching the ground. Begin by rubbing your hands together until they feel warm. Now gently massage your face. Then go ahead and massage your head from front to back. Spend a little longer on the areas that feel particularly tender. Massage behind the ears towards the neck. Relax your hands for a moment. Then go ahead and massage your ears. Make sure you give it a good rub so your ears feel nice and warm by the end. Relax for a moment. Then move to the chest. Knock up and down the chest. Take a deep breath in through the nose. Exhale with a big sigh and let your chest relax. Take 2 more breaths here. Relax your hands for a moment. Now massage your ribs. Then go ahead and gently knock on your stomach. Change the direction. Let your hands relax for a moment. Then tap the side of the body towards the hip bone. Relax and change sides. From here, move to your lower back. Gently circle around with the back of your hands. Bring your attention to your back and feel the warmth from your hands as you circle around. Do this movement until your lower back feels nice and warm. Relax again. Then gently knock on your hips. Then go down the sides of the legs just under the kneecap. Move inside and slowly come back up. Then knock on the top of the legs, the kneecaps, and come back up on the inside, finishing at the hips. Relax your hands down and notice how your body feels. Then go ahead and lift your toes and heels. This helps to massage the soles of the feet as well as improve circulation to the legs and around the ankles. One more time. Relax and notice how your body feels. Then go ahead and take a nice deep breath in through the nose. Exhale down the center. Bring your hands to the lower abdomen and place them on your stomach. Take a deep breath into your belly one more time. Exhale softly. Relax your whole body. Let your hands relax on top of your knees and take a moment to notice how you feel. There's a sense of tingling and aliveness spreading throughout your body. Thank you for watching. I wish you a good day, and I'll see you soon.